Hey friends, in just 6 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create a sales CRM in Notion that will save you both time and effort in keeping tabs on your leads. With the help of our AI sidekick Magical, I'll demonstrate how to seamlessly import enriched lead data into your very own Notion database. Also, if you stick around to the end, I'll give you the exact Notion template I use, saving you the hassle of building the CRM from scratch. So, let's get started. So, first of all, what is a CRM? Well, a CRM is a customer relationship management system, or CRM for short, and it's an indispensable tool for anyone in sales. It not only organizes all your leads, prospect, and customer interactions in one place, but it also provides insight and reminders that help you nurture relationships more effectively. With a CRM, you can streamline your sales process, ensuring that no opportunity slips through the cracks, thereby boosting your sales and enhancing customer satisfaction. So, here's what we're going to create. We're going to focus on setting up two pivotal databases designed to cater to both B2B sellers and those targeting individual prospects. So first we have the company database. This is tailored for B2B sales enthusiasts, and this data will aggregate crucial information about the company. So you can expect to have access to data like the size of the company, its official website, and insight into its funding rounds. This is your go-to database for a comprehensive view of potential business clients. Secondly, we have the people database, and this database is laser focused on individuals who are your potential prospects. So we'll compile key details including their names, business, and their personal experiences, as well as their locations and a snippet from their profile bios or their about section. This is designed to give you a personalized approach to pitch your offer effectively. So first things first, what we're going to do is scrape the company information so we can create our company database. Now I have a number of different tabs open in the Arc browser, and for those who may not be familiar with Arc browser, it's a Chromium browser, meaning that it is built on top of the Chromium ecosystem. If you're using Chrome, don't worry, it's a similar fashion in which you would do this. It's just that with Arc, we have the tabs on the left-hand side in the side panel, and Chrome, it's to the top. So nothing too crazy here, it will work in the exact same fashion. Also, if you're interested in having a video on how to use Arc browser with the Magical extension, let us know in the comments below and we'll create that video for you. Looking back at my screen here, as you can see, we're currently on the Magical profile. We want to scrape this information into our database. And so to do so, what we're going to do is simply click on the toggle right here. Now you can also access Magical in other places in the extension bar on top here, both for Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Now, as you can see, Magical has already scraped information from this profile page into the sidebar here. And if I want to add additional information, I could do so by clicking on Add More. You'll know that you are able to add more information because there's this blue border around the page letting you know that you're able to hover over elements and add them. So for instance, as you can see, the year founded is currently not inserted. So all we need to do is hover over the information, click on it, and then we can type in the appropriate label. And because it's already there, what we need to do is first remove this block. I'll take a second to do that. So now I can add the year founded. I'm going to save that information, click on done, and now that information is stored in Magical. Now, as you can see, we have a number of tabs of different companies that you might be familiar with. We have the browser company, which is the company that founded Arc. We have Figma, Adobe, Miro, and Notion, all with their information separately assigned. Now, let's say we wanted to add the number of rounds that these companies are doing for their investment. So I'm going to click on this option here that I can put like number of rounds. Click on that there. And now that information is added there. I can even add the actual value that was raised for the company. But I'm going to leave it at this for now. For the example, let me just open this back up and I'm going to click on done. Now here is where the Magical part comes into play. So I'm going to click on the transfer to option and click on a new spreadsheet so that Magical can copy information into a new spreadsheet for me in Google Sheets. So I'll do that. And the amazing thing about Magical is you can copy just this particular tab that we're currently on. As you can see, just this tab, but we also have the option to copy similar information from other tabs that are open. So we have the tabs that I just showed you. So I'm going to click on all tabs, and in just a couple of seconds here, Magical is going to list out the information. Let me scale that up a bit so you guys can see it a bit more clearly and close this sidebar. And as you can see, we have all the information packed here. We have the URL, and we also have their website, the year that they were founded, and information. Now, if there's information that looks a little bit erroneous, just make sure that you go back to the site and ensure that it's matching up to what you found. So we'll take a look at how we can get the CSV file and transfer it over to Notion. Now I'm going to show you how you can export a CSV file from Google Sheets so that we can put it into Notion. Let me click on File here, and you're going to go down to the download option. Here you'll be greeted with a number of different options. We are going to use the CSV or comma separated values type file. So I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to download it into my download folder. And then what I can do now is head over to my Notion. So now that I'm in Notion, what I did was I created a brand new page, and Notion automatically gives you options to which you can start a template or a table or import information. So we're actually going to use the import. If we look closely enough, we will find the CSV option. Currently there is no Google Sheet option, but this makes it easier as well for us to do. We are going to click on that option, highlight this CSV file I have here. So I'm going to click on the open, and immediately we have a database that we can use to list out our information. And it has listed it in two different sections. So we have the number of employees, we have the information, and it's all within this Notion folder. Now this will be the same process if we are using a people database. I'm going to quickly show you what that would look like. So let's say I want to create a person database. Well, in a similar fashion, I would go to the user or the profile that I want to scrape information from, and I would click on the toggle here. As you can see, we have a different list of information that we can get from someone's personal profile. So we can also get the email of the particular person that we're looking at by clicking on this option. I'm not going to expose Joyce's information here, so just trust that it works. We've tried it, it's been tried and tested. So this is really fantastic, and it's a great way to use a tool like this. You would do the similar process, transferring it over to a Google Sheet and then exporting a CSV file to which you would add it into Notion. So remember, to jumpstart your CRM creation, the Notion template we've discussed is readily available for you. Just check out the link in the description to grab it below. And here's something extra. If you're intrigued by the idea of effortlessly transferring data from any website directly into a Google Sheet, you don't want to miss out on our next video. It's a game changer for streamlining your data collection process, and you can click this card right here to watch it. Thanks again for being here. I look forward to diving deeper into more tools and tricks that can transform your workflow. I'll see you in the next one.